In this video, I'll show you how you can add friends in Rainbow Six Mobile. All you have to do is launch the game, and then from the home page, simply tap on the social icon. Here it is. Tap on it, and then from the options that appear, select Add. Now at this page, you should see some players recommended to you. But if you have that one particular friend you want to add, you can simply type their ID in this area. And now you can also see your ID. In case they don't have your ID, you can simply give them this ID. So if you have your friend's ID, simply tap on this search by ID section and then type in that friend's ID. Now once you type the ID, simply tap on OK and then search for that particular player. And then if you found your friend, all you have to do is tap on this icon to add them. So tap on that icon and it should say this prompt, friend request sent to that particular player. Now once they accept your request, you should see their name appear under the friends list. So that's basically it on how to add friends in Rainbow Six Mobile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.